This is Dell Alienware Aurora R16, and what happened is I found many cases when trying to reinstall Windows, it doesn't show the internal drive while we try to select the internal SSD to install the Windows on it. And I'm going to show you what to do. So first of all, let me show you what the problem looks like. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, we go to BIOS. Once we change the boot order, then we go to the installation page. As you can see, it says setup is starting. We accept the terms and condition to go to next. Select the operating system if you do have multiple service pack, and when you hit next, just accept the license agreement. I would like to do the fresh installation, so I choose the bottom one. And now, as you can see here, there is no drive. This is the common problem, and it does happen because of a single error in BIOS, which is called VMD settings. So in some machines, it's called VMD settings. If you don't find anything VMD, then you need to go to SATA and NVMe operation mode. By default, this one on RAID on. As you can see here, it says AHCI NVMe. But if this is enabled to RAID on, you wouldn't be able to see the internal SSD when you would like to install the Windows in it. So if you do find something's called RAID on, change into AHCI or NVMe. Once you choose the option, and if you change the settings, and if you save the BIOS settings like that, and then if you would like to install Windows without any issues, you'll be able to do that. And also make sure the front USB, rear USB are enabled. Otherwise, when you'll try to do the temporary boot from the USB, it's not going to be able to show you any USB connected in there or not. So these are the couple of settings. Now let's give it a try and see if this BIOS system find the internal SSD to take the Windows in it or not. So now I'm going to boot up from my Windows installer, which is on the top of the list. It's going to restart. We're going to go back through the same things that we used to do. Next, install now. Accept the terms and condition, license agreement, choose the operating system, and then accept the terms and condition, do the fresh installation. And when you do the fresh installation, as you can see here, now it shows the internal SSD. If you do have more than one, you'd be able to see both of them. But if you do have RAID on, you don't be able to see that one. So now I'm going to run the Windows installation and see if this one does have the successful boot or not. So finally, I can see the Windows installed correctly. There is no issue. So there was only one settings, as you seen already in the video. If you do like it, and if you do solve your problem this way, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.